Zzz. Dude. Shh. Yeah, that shouldn't be too hard. Okay, let me go back now. We do a little bit of tomfoolery here. Whoa. Hey, dude, check this out. Hey. Oh. No! Ooh, this man has a lollipop. What am I doing? Hey, yeah, can I have this lollipop? No. Can't have it. Knife. There's nothing on the stick. How'd that even happen? Throw that away then. Did you hear that? Oh. Yeah, knife. Huh? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, is that me? Hi, me. Huh? I'm just gonna lean this with my fist real quick. Oh dear, I gotta clean this mess up.